Welcome back, everyone.
And thank you for watching our previous videos.
We've been learning so much together.
About money, saving, budgeting, and needs and wants.
And piggy banks. And counting money.
Yes, all of that.
If you've been watching this series with us, thank you for being here. We're so glad you're learning with us.
But I have a problem.
Oh?
Sometimes, as soon as I get money, I just want to spend it right away.
That happens to a lot of people. To kids. And grown-ups too.
Really?
Today, we're going to learn why that happens.
And how to stop it.
Yes, I got money.
Oh, I could buy candy or a toy or stickers or...
See how fast that happened?
You got money.
And within seconds, your brain started thinking about spending it.
Was fast.
And that does not mean you're bad with money. It just means your brain is doing what brains do.
So I'm not just being silly?
Nope.
You're dealing with something called instant gratification.
Insta what?
It means wanting the happy feeling right now.
Let's make this simple. This part of your brain loves rewards.
It gets excited very quickly.
That's the part yelling, buy it now?
Exactly. And this part helps you plan.
It asks questions like,
do I really need this? Should I save instead? So the spender part is faster than the planner part.
yes.
That's why spending can happen before thinking.
So
I'm not fighting weakness.
You're learning how to outsmart.
Smart your own brain.
I need that toy.
Do you really need it?
Maybe not. Here's one of the best tools ever.
The 24-hour rule.
What's that? When you really want to buy something,
You wait 24 hours before buying it.
A whole day?
Yes.
sometimes after one day,
You won't even want it anymore.
Whoa.
And if you still want it after 24 hours and it fits your plan,
So waiting helps me know if it's real or just a quick feeling.
will I still want this tomorrow?
here's another smart trick.
What is it?
Make spending a little harder.
Why would I do that?
Because when spending is too easy, you do it without thinking.
Loose money disappears fast,
But money in a piggy bank,
or a jar, or an account that takes an extra step to use. That gives your planner brain time to catch up.
So I should keep spending money separate from saving money.
that's a very smart idea.
And fewer shopping temptations help too.
Like not looking at toys all the time.
Exactly.
Sometimes I want to buy things when I'm bored.
That's important to notice.
Because spending often has a trigger.
A trigger, something that starts the feeling.
Like boredom, it is
Or stress.
or excitement.
So I don't always want the thing. Sometimes you just want a feeling.
And that means you can choose a new habit. So instead of bored or buy,
You can do board, create, or board, play outside.
or bored, read, build, draw, dance.
And I still feel better.
What if we try something new?
Exactly. New habit, same reward.
That sounds really cool.
This is one of my favorite tools.
A notebook?
A want list.
What do I do with it?
Every time you want to buy something,
Write it down.
and then what?
You don't buy right away.
Once a week, you look at the list again.
I don't even want this candy anymore.
That happens a lot. And the things you still really want, you can plan for.
So the list helps me choose better.
Yes. Let's recap.
If you want to stop spending all your money right away,
Use the 24-hour rule.
create friction between you and spending,
Play spending habits.
and keep a want list.
I can do that.
You do not need to fix everything at once.
Just start with one tool this week. I'm starting with the want list.
That's a great place to start.
In our next video, we're talking about emergency funds.
And why kids need them too.
Subscribe so you don't miss it and tell us in the comments.
What's one thing you bought too quickly and later regretted?